there, Deborah Donaldson here, and in today's video I'm going to be going over OfferLab, and I'm going to be covering like who is Russell Brunson, why this platform was created, who it's good for, and why it might be a good idea to join. Then I'm going to go ahead and jump into the back office and show you a little bit on how this works and how easy it is to use. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, here we are at the sign up page. This here is Russell Brunson that is talking on the video. And if you don't know who Russell Brunson is he is one of the creators of a software called ClickFunnels. And ClickFunnels is a funnel building software. So it helps you to create online sales systems or a process to sell your products and services online, and this can work for you 24/7. Now, as a creator of ClickFunnels, he has paid out over $200 million in affiliate commissions just for that software. And he is saying that OfferLab is going to be much bigger than that. And you know what? I believe him. So what you would do is this platform is completely free to join. So what you would do is enter in your name and your email and phone number and just click submit and join. And then it's going to take you to another video. Once you get signed up, like I said, it's completely free to join. You will be able to create your account, which will look something like this here. And so these are all of the other, all of the offers here on the platform already. And you can see that there's a lot of different categories that you can choose from. If you are an affiliate and looking for products to promote, then you would just pick from this category, these categories here. If you are a product creator, then when you upload your product, you would choose what category it goes into. And then you can see here for e-commerce, there's another whole set of subcategories right here. So you would just choose where it would go and load up your sales page right there. So as someone who is an affiliate marketer, if you are looking to create your funnel, you would go to the marketplace. Let's just say I'm going to pick a digital good, and let's just say I want to promote this LinkedIn newsletter. What I would do is click on it, and it gives a brief description here. And then if this is something that I really want to promote or put it in my funnel, I would say promote this offer here. It'll send a message to the product creator, and then they can approve you to sell this product. If you are ready to create your funnels, this is where you would go for sales. You would just click on that. I've got one going right here. So I've got my initial offer right here. It's a $5 offer. And then I've got one upsell, which is from a different creator. And so you can mix and match different offers here into your funnel. And then when you want to add another offer, then you would go over here to your offers and you would click, hey, I want to add that to my funnel. And then you can see down here it added it directly into my funnel. And so you can build out a funnel of congruent offers that you are interested, that you want to promote. So let's see here, I don't really want this one in there, so I will remove that offer right now. And then there's the opportunity to put in a different order bump here. So you can modify the order bump to increase your initial sales if you want to. But the way that you get your offers, like I said, is to go to the marketplace and just spend a little bit of time when you first join and go through and send messages to people of products that you are really interested in promoting. Now with the e-commerce, there is a section for books. So if you wanted to do like a lower cost lead magnet book as your initial one, then you would find you know, if you are into nutrition, you might pick a nutrition book or something like that, or into golf, you might pick a golf book, and then pick that as your initial offer. And then you would go through the other products and in the e-commerce or digital goods and pick maybe different golf training programs that match your offer, so it's all congruent. You don't want to create an offer that might sell dog products and then the next thing in the funnel would be a golfing software. That would just be too jarring and you would not be successful if you did that. So you want the offers to be congruent. So if you are promoting Make Money Online, then you are looking for training on Make Money Online. And so what you would do is once you message, then you would have your list of people that you have messaged here, and when something has been approved, then you'll get a message back saying you've been approved to promote this product. And so it is super easy to use. Now in the past, as an affiliate, you would purchase a product or find a product to sell on a affiliate platform like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, things like that. But you would pick one product, but it'd be very difficult to make a funnel and then have multiple products, say a product here from ClickBank and then a next product from JVZoo and all of that. It'd be hard to put it all together and make it congruent and have the payments flow and all that kind of stuff. Whereas with this platform here, because it's collaborative, if you have 3 different products in your funnel, and just for math, just say each product pays 50% in affiliate commissions, you're going to get 50% from each of the products that sells in your funnel. So, and that's all taken care of in the background. You don't need to worry about that, and that would be in the settings. You would set up your account so that you can either send payments if you're a product creator or get payments if you're an affiliate. So this is an awesome opportunity, not only for affiliates, but also for product creators. So as you go through this, Russell does talk about an OfferLab certification program. And this is a way that you can earn much more commissions. You can get full training on how to market affiliate, how to market OfferLab, how to create products and things like that. And as an affiliate, if you sell the certification, it's a way that you can earn 100% commissions on what you sell. So this is an awesome opportunity, not only for people who are beginners, but also people who are product creators and have a lot more experience in affiliate marketing. And so because this is new, it's just launching, you will want to get in before other people so you can be all set up and ready to go. There's already people that are earning with this platform. I really like the whole collaborative way that this is set up. So instead of pitting, affiliate course against affiliate course, you can bring them together and be much more collaborative about the whole sales process. And so those are a couple of things that I really like about this platform. So I've gotten some questions about, is it a good platform for beginners? And I would say if you just decided last night that you wanted to get into affiliate marketing, this would probably not be the place to start. But if you have been in affiliate marketing, you know what funnels are, you know about collecting emails, you may not have a lot of experience, but you understand what affiliate marketing is, what you need to do. This can be an awesome place to get your training and start promoting products and start earning those commissions that you're looking for. So this platform can work really well for people who are just starting out, and it can also be a great platform for those that are product creators, or say you've got a physical product, t-shirts, face creams, whatever, that you're selling, more e-commerce. You could have a digital training program, membership sites. And the other cool thing about this that I just remembered is sometimes with platforms you have to load all your materials onto the platform, and it makes it kind of awkward. With this one, you can keep your training program where it is and just integrate it with OfferLab. So you're not having to re-upload your program to another platform. In terms of paying commissions, you don't have to worry about how it all works. It's all done in the background. This is a fantastic platform. Like I said, it is just starting out. The full launch is starting September 4th, so now is the time to get into it. I'm going to be putting my link in the description below. To join is completely free. Go ahead and check it out. Set up your account. Take a look at how this all works. It's not going to cost you anything, and that is the beauty of this platform. So just to wrap this up, You can now take any offer from any creator on any platform and combine it into a super offer or a super funnel. And you can do it with Systeme.io, ClickFunnels, Shopify Kajabi, GoHighLevel. It really doesn't matter. This integrates with all of them. So one customer can buy from multiple products from different creators all in one seamless experience, all in one flow. And the cool thing is, as an affiliate, you can get paid on all of it. So for beginners, it can be massive because you'll be able to make more money faster. And for the experts out there, it is going to 10x your income. You'll be able to upload all your courses, your products, and tap into a huge market of 100,000 people that are ready to promote you and your product. This has never been done before. It is a ground floor opportunity. And like I said, Russell Brunson has a ton of experience with affiliate marketing and funnels and all of that. With his flagship software, ClickFunnels, he said this is going to be bigger, and I believe him.